everybody. You probably have seen me wear this shirt a lot lately because I have filmed 4 videos today. So this is the same day. It is also 4th of July, and you probably see this video later on, but I am going to make a Mexican dip. So we're gonna go to our neighbor's house and I'm gonna bring Mexican dip. So to make Mexican dip, you need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of pork sausage, and so I'm gonna add in the ground beef to my pan and the sausage. You could use Jimmy Dean, you can use really any kind of sausage. I could probably use chorizo to make it more of like a Spanish dish because it is called a Mexican dip. So chorizo would probably be a good choice. I'm not big on spicy, so I'm not gonna put chorizo in there, but that's another option. Drain all this out. I drained all the grease out, and now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of my homemade taco seasoning. So 2 tablespoons of what I make equals 1 packet. So you really just need to add 1 packet. About 2 tablespoons. And then you need 2 cans of refried beans. Now, for a healthier option, you can do fat-free. I've tried fat-free in this, but it's just so crumbly. It's really hard to like incorporate it in there. But fat-free is a lot better for you. Now I always make it in this size pan, and it is hard to get it all mixed in, but I just refuse to go bigger, I guess. Every time I struggle with it, but I still get it done. So you're just trying to get all the beans mixed into the meat. Now y'all know why I have so much burnt on food on my stove. Oh my gosh. Alright, it is pretty well mixed in at this point. I'm going to turn the stove off. I'm going to put it into a 9x13 pan. And this is going to be your bottom layer. Some people call this like 7-layer dip. It's about the same. Just going to mush this and make it smooth in the very bottom of your pan.
Going to the lake.
Huh?
Going to the lake.
Who's going to the lake? Yeah. Now I'm going to add a 16-ounce container of sour cream. I like to use the light version because it is better for you. It has less fat. And the third layer is going to be your salsa. You can do medium, you can do hot, you can do mild. I prefer mild. As you know, I don't do spice much. So you can also do picante sauce, the verde sauce. But you just want 1 24-ounce jar of salsa, whatever chunky sauce that you like. I'm gonna spread that on. And lastly is a bag of Mexican cheese. I also like to add black olives on top. Not everybody's a fan of black olives, so I might leave those out this time, but I usually put them if we make it for ourselves. So now you're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes until it's nice and bubbly and the cheese is all melted. And then you can get some scoops, like chips or whatever your favorite chip is, and use it as a dip. Alright, it's in there at 350 for 30 minutes. So So this is, it looks like it is done. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.